This is a top-notch Orange County sandwich for sure.
I did it. I am at La Carniceria Wagyu in Costa Mesa. Let's get our Wagyu on.
Wow, everything here looks so stupid delicious. They use only the highest quality meat, and this right here is a meatball sandwich with Australian Wagyu meatballs, a Dutch crunch bread, and a house-made tomato sauce. Like, I've never seen a more beautiful looking meatball sub. First bite for you, but not really. This is unreal. Just look at the meatball. Just look at it. It's beautiful. It tastes so good. You can taste that there's just good quality beef in there. This is an incredible sandwich. This magnificent, glorious, and beautiful thing is the pastrami burger, Wagyu pastrami, Wagyu burger. It's got a cheese dipping sauce here, some pickles on the side. I almost don't want to eat it because it looks so beautiful. But you know I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna eat it. Oh my God, this is incredible. The pastrami is so good. It's just ridiculously tasty. I'm just gonna attempt to try it with some of this cheese sauce. It's dumb how amazing that is. I honestly was thinking, like, what is this cheese sauce gonna do? It's already amazing, but oh my word. This is a meal for kings and queens. And it's right here in Costa Mesa. I'm blown away. That was me getting blown away, I guess.